I'm proud to say that I've just released my most comprehensive but simple options trading content to date. And in this quick video, I just want to talk to you guys a little about it and also share the New Year's offer that I have running for the next couple of weeks. Right off the bat, I do need to say that this is a promotional video. I do want to share this course. I'm really proud of it. I've been working on it for the past week or so, and I just want to let you guys what is in this course, and if this course is for you. It's not for everybody, but hey, if it's for you, then you know where to find it. It's in the description of this video. But once again, this is a promotional video. That being said, at the end of the video, I mean, you can just skip over there if you want. I will share my two favorite options positions for Q1 of 2024. The Fed just announced some rate cuts. The markets are ripping right now. Times are freaking so exciting, you guys. I'm so pumped for the year ahead of us. So I do still want to bring you some value. If you want to learn how to trade those contracts that I share at the end of the video, then this is for you. How to trade options made simple on Robinhood and TD Ameritrade apps. Along with this purchase, you will also receive my personal email in which you can ask me any questions you'd like about options trading, okay? So that is what I would say is kind of the primary benefits. In the case that you still have some questions after going over the curriculum, you can just contact me directly with any questions in regard to the markets or options trading, okay? So again, we'll go over the curriculum in a second, but the New Year's special offer is $19. On January 2nd of 2024, it's going to go up to $29. Both of these will get you all access. The $19, this New Year's special offer is exactly the same as the one-time purchase all access pass. For $19, you'll receive all 6 videos within the course and, still that direct line of contact to me. Okay. So this is the curriculum. You can see here beside each of the names of these lessons is the length of the video in each of these lessons. So there's a total of 6 videos ranging from roughly, from a minute to 12 minutes, I guess. Fairly short. It's pretty easy to listen to, you guys. Again, I tried to make this as simple as possible, comprehensive but simple. I wanted to teach you guys in the most entertaining, easy to understand way possible, because options can be pretty scary. They can seem scary, and don't get me wrong, there is risk involved with options. But at the end of the day, it's pretty darn simple if you're trading, especially longer term swing trading options contracts, which is what I do. Okay? After this, if you do want to know exactly which options I'm holding at all times and how I'm trading them, then you can find the complete portfolio and daily newsletter. That is the other product that's involved. That's $15 a month if you want it. But for now, if you just want to learn how to trade options, if you want to step up your trading game, then this course could be for you. The first video, the first lesson of the course is the introduction. Why do I trade options, and why should you trade options? Again, why should you trade options? Why is options trading for you? If you bought the course, I'm assuming you already know it's for you, but it's more of just a thought experiment, and it's good to think about that kind of stuff, okay? 2, what is an options contract? If you're going to trade options, you want to know what an options contract is. Again, this is options contracts. Simpler than actual options, and I would say the simplest form of futures trading, and these are the basics of what you'll trade on Robinhood and TD Ameritrade. Coming to number 3, which is where I have my phone reflected for you guys, and I have my phone reflected on screen for you with my app. With the app I used to do that, I walk through how to buy call options on Robinhood. I walk through how to buy call options on TD Ameritrade, because both are different. And then I just kind of talk about the dynamic of call options and how options work and the intricacies. Not getting too intricate, but just the general details of how options work and how you can see the difference in shorter expirations, longer expirations, how the strike prices vary, and just general knowledge on call options, okay, and options contracts in general. Next is my favorite, simple and sweet, longer term options trading strategy. By longer term, I am focusing on 2 to 3 months. Okay, I know long term. You can definitely trade long-term options like 2-3 years out. For me, because I'm a swing trader, I do trade some shorter-term positions as well. My ideal Range is like 2 to 3 months, okay? And then lastly, my final thoughts and contact information. That is where I include my personal email that you can reach me at. Okay, so that's that, you guys. And just check out the intro video. I have this on the Complete Portfolio Daily Newsletter as well. But if you guys do want to sign up, again, if you want to take advantage of the special offer, of the New Year's offer, this is the first link in the description of this video right underneath the like button. There you will find both of my programs. If you do choose to sign up, then welcome to the team. We look forward to having you, and I do appreciate you. I'm pumped for the year ahead of us. But if not, no worries at all. If you just came for these 2 options contracts, then here they are. Boom. Okay. 1, Pagaya Technologies $2 call. That means that there is a $2 strike price with an expiration date of February 16th, 2024. The next is Redwire Corporation, or RDW, $3 call with the same February 16th, 2024 expiration date. I will be releasing a video come the new year. For those of you guys who stuck around for this, it's a little heads up. These are my 2 dark horse stocks, which means they're like the 2 underdogs, which I see massive potential in the year of 2024. And I will say now, the reason I chose to share these, I respect the heck out of the newsletter group and portfolio group. This is private to them. But really, I've established these, and I feel like anyone who's part of the group has already established these positions. We have massive positions in these. So I feel comfortable sharing them with you guys. Again, if you want to know what is in my entire portfolio, this is 2 of, I think, like 15 to maybe 20 options positions that we have open right now, and that's always changing. Again, that's at the same link you'll find my complete portfolio and trade alert. Okay, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm pumped for the year ahead of us, and if you want to talk in the comments downstairs about anything markets or anything life, I'll see you down there. Until next time, always remember, take action, make waves. Peace.